You can't talk to
because I can't talk and
can't
eat
talk with my
at the same time.
Not gonna work. Not gonna work.
But
I'm tryna take my time. I'm tryna take my time. We ain't gotta rush, girl. I'm tryna take my time. I'm tryna take my time. We ain't gotta rush, girl. I'm tryna take my time. What it is I gotta do, I'm tryna make you mine. I'm hanging up on anybody when you banging my line. She can get it anywhere, any day, anytime. We ain't gotta rush, girl. I'm tryna take my time. What it is I gotta do, I'm tryna make you mine. I'm hanging up on anybody when you banging my line. She can get it anywhere, any day, anytime. Climb on top, ride me like you on a roller coaster. Make me feel love inside, cause I don't feel it no more. You numb the pain, you like a drug, you keep me feeling for more. I know you like it when I kiss you from your head to your toe. She say she love it when I'm in it from the back end. Remember creeping through your home, that was back then. Now I'm walking through your home like what's happening. 1 + 1 = 2, that's what happened. I fell in love with your vibe, you kept it real though. That sneaky shit you ain't playing, you used to drill hole. The times I lied and made you cry, you still was 10 toes.
Y'all, we back with another banger, you feel me? What is it? Mukbang?
yes, we're back with another Mukbang, y'all.
Welcome to Finn and
Lindsay TV.
You feel me?
Okay, so this is a Caribbean Mukbang. He got oxtails, cabbage, and macaroni, and I got curry chicken and cabbage. And today, and rice. We got yellow rice. We didn't get white rice. But today's drinks are pineapple, Fanta, and a water.
She almost said it wrong.
I did almost say it wrong, but don't judge me. But so today we're doing this mukbang and we're gonna try to talk a lot. We're gonna try to eat and talk at the same time, but I don't know how that's gonna work.
You can't talk to
because I can't talk and
can't
eat
talk with my
at the same time.
Not gonna work. Not gonna work.
But today we're gonna be talking about how comfortable we're getting with YouTube and how we're gonna start doing YouTube more. Like
The fuck?
we're gonna start doing YouTube more, like on the daily, posting back to back videos, back to back bangers or whatever. Y'all, I don't know what's wrong with my talking today, but it's like crazy. But yeah, I been telling him, like, just anytime we bored or something, just like pull the camera out. Like, just pull the camera out and just record, because it might be people out there that want to know what we're doing. Like, just like everyday life, basically.
Your shit got a whole different taste than mine.
Of course, it's not the same thing. Y'all, he can have his own food, his whole plate of own food, but want to eat my food. I don't understand. I don't understand why.
Can't share?
I can,
Share
but why share when you got your own?
So share it can.
Y'all,
You talking about?
he crazy. But is it anything you want to tell them? You just eating.
Damn, I can enjoy it, bro.
It's like but it's like when you talk though, you get full fast.
I already know that one. That one
But-
doing not talking. You feel me? On.
Y'all,
But look, though,
I'm gonna talk
Let me tell you
because
something.
I gotta tell y'all about our first video we dropped. So far the views on our first video, go ahead.
no, go ahead.
So far the views on our first video has been good, but it's like we need more people to subscribe. Like, if you're gonna share
We need y'all to get right.
or if you're gonna talk about the channel, subscribe. Like,
You feel me?
tell a friend to tell a friend
on-
to subscribe.
Support
won't
y'all
hurt.
and
But what did you have to tell them?
so this is what we really need y'all to start doing. We really need y'all to start telling us, like, letting us, like, know what videos y'all want us to do.
Yeah.
As far as like challenges. All type of this shit.
Y'all, so like we dropping this mukbang, and then once we drop this, I want y'all to subscribe, like, and comment what y'all want to see next, like what video next, because any video we will do when we have free time, we will do the video. Would you please?
What's you talking about?
But anytime y'all feel like y'all want to tell us something, or y'all want to see something on the channel, or see anybody on the channel or anything,
You feel me? Any special guest? You feel me?
yeah, we'll do that.
Y'all know we been hanging. Do pranks on like Black, Bill, or whoever. You feel me? We could do that.
You have to. Y'all haven't met them yet, but y'all will. Y'all meet them. We gotta do a good video.
If y'all know me, y'all know who fell there.
Not every subscribers want to know you.
I'm saying.
You gotta be talking for subscribers that you know, and subscribers out there
I'm just letting them
in
know.
the world. But
Period.
soon y'all will meet
Period.
Bill and Black. Y'all meet them soon. They'll be welcome to the channel. But
They ain't welcome right now. They got the
y'all,
they on the leash.
oh, and another thing I want to talk about is this Jacksonville weather. Like, this Jacksonville weather is like so confusing, because women is hot, and then
That
next
man,
minute
this
it's
been
like
colder than
so cold. Like, you have to put on like 2 jackets.
hell yeah.
But,
Y'all be colder than motherfucker.
oh, I'm sorry. But y'all, I'm really trying to stop drinking soda, like, but it's like soda is like so good.
I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Cause I need you.
Like, soda is like so good.
That's how I be feeling about that soda. I
What?
need you.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Y'all didn't know I was a singer.
Cabbage is like so good. Who don't like cabbage?
Y'all didn't know I was a singer. I'm sorry, backup singer.
What? No, you're not.
What you lying for them people for? All these subscribers, what you lying for?
No, why you're lying? So y'all, we're back. But
Interruption.
yeah, but we're back. Only thing I don't like about this Korean place is that the seasoning they put in here. Like, it be in here like different people use different seasonings, and like not our seasoning.
Yeah, like you shit.
Like, what is this? I've never seen this.
Whatever the fuck it is. Needs to go.
Yeah.
Needs to go. You feel
There's
me?
not nothing you want to tell them.
I don't know. I'm working my way around to it. I'm trying to think about it.
Oh, we need to get a thumbnail.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on.
Come on. What? I'm going. Hold on, wait.
No. That good? Yeah. What you talking about? So,
That's like a big piece of cabbage, y'all.
y'all know I've been doing this music, John, right? So, me and Black, y'all gonna meet Black. In due time, you feel me? But me and Black, we got a little mixtape coming. Should be dropping around like spring break for all the young kids, you feel me? Still in school. We're gonna be going around that time. Y'all stay tuned, cause it's only gonna get lit. Bro, I'm doing no game.
No, it's just like, so y'all, this will be our second upload. And it's like, you don't ever be thinking like, on the camera, it's like, when you looking,
Huh?
when you looking in the camera, where are you looking at?
The people.
The people.
What you looking at?
The people.
I'm looking at all y'all, you feel me? Face to face, eye to eye. Contact shit, you feel me?
Full contact. Y'all, I don't know why, but if it's that soda, what?
Huh?
What?
I said that soda, that shit.
You really not say that. But y'all, I don't know if it's that soda, but I got full fast.
Are you full?
Hmm?
You full?
Mm-hmm.
You got a little body.
No, because you know I can eat. Y'all, I have to keep me a box of snacks, right? If it's a drink, chips, and candy, packet candy, I'm good. Cause I be wanting snacks, so I had to keep one.
Full. You see what that be about, man. You see what that be about. Oh yeah, some of that chicken. Oh.
They have some good macaroni and cheese, but I think
What you had,
it's
huh?
like, yeah. But I'm saying like,
What?
y'all, we eat this often. We eat this like often. I'm saying like when we did get it,
Oh
like
yeah,
the first
yeah,
time that we got it, like it's good. But I'm saying like you don't think it should be like more done to it. Like it should be more of a cheesier taste, or more of a taste that make you say that
Try
make you
this.
say but
Try this.
all that.
That bit tastes a little off. You see what I'm talking about?
It taste like
That bit don't taste like how my mom shit be tasting.
it tastes like
No
macaroni, but just cheese just added in it.
What?
It don't taste like they put forth effort to it. I don't know, y'all.
Oh no.
When you eat something a lot, you start noticing the difference in it.
What the fuck are you talking about though? Talking about macaroni, cheese.
What do you mean what I'm talking about? I'm saying your macaroni,
Mm-hmm.
and I said when you eat something a lot, you notice the difference in the taste of it. How could you go wrong on that? I'm confused. But okay.
I ain't even talking about
That's
what.
that
I ain't even
retarded
talking about that part. But I'm gonna let you have it. Cause I wanna eat.
Or it's to let you not. Yeah, that's all you worry about right now. That's how you don't know what I'm talking about. Because you sent that stuff in your face.
Hey. This be good.
Y'all.
And I ain't got time for the game. Time for the bullshit.
What?
Time for the bullshit.
I am full. You have another oxtail?
Huh? Yeah, one last oxtail.
Y'all. So.
Oh, what's up? What you full?
You
Full.
Yeah.
About ready to wrap it up?
Yeah. So, y'all, this is our second video
Yeah, I already know what it is.
to the channel.
You feel me?
I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell a friend to subscribe.
To tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend.
And then my Instagram is on our channel, and his Instagram is on our channel, and both of our bios has our YouTube link in it. Y'all, excuse my talking right now, because it's like so.
So go subscribe. You feel me? Go subscribe.
But yeah,
But we ain't playing no
subscribe.
game with y'all. You feel me? The more subscribers we get, the more videos we get.
More videos we're gonna drop.
The more videos y'all get. I'm tripping. You feel me?
And more content we drop for y'all. Better content.
You feel me?
And yeah. So right now, we're working on getting a camera or whatever, so we can, you know, give y'all better views. For right now, we're doing it off of our 11s. We have 11s. Both of us have 11. He have a black one. I have a white one. But yeah, both of us do it off our 11s. But yeah, back to what I was saying. I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. And we're gonna sign out. Is there anything you want to tell them before we
Man, go hit that motherfucker like button. Go comment. Go subscribe. You feel me? Do that. Cause it's only gonna get lit. You feel me? And we're only gonna drop more shit. Bro.
I'm tryna take my time. I'm tryna take my time.